ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ 19ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. 19/1/19 19 ಅಂದರೆ 10 ಅಂದರೆ ನೀನು ಮೇಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡಿ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಿಮಗಾಗಿ ಶ್ರಮ ಪಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಬೇಕು. ನೀನು ನಿನ್ನ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸುವುದೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಮುನ್ನಡೀತಾ ಇರು. ನೀವು ಮುನ್ನಡೆಯೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡುವುದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯದ ಆಶಯ.
ವಿಶ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತಡೇ. ಆರೋಗ್ಯ, ಆಯಸ್ಸು, ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಲಪ್ಪ. ನೀನು ಅನ್ಕಡದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ನೆರವೇರ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ದೇವರು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಸದಾ ನಿಮಗಿರ್ತದೆ.
My dear fellow, you're my life, you're my strength, and you're my motivation. Wish you a very, very happy returns of the day. Have a nice and wonderful day.
Happy birthday Praju. May God bless you with all you desire in life. Our supports and blessings are always with you, dear. Enjoy
Happy birthday, Bhaiya.
Hello Pranjwal, many happy returns of the day. Today is your 19th birthday. Keep shining. May God bless you with lot of success. I will always remember you as a person who was quite a silent worker, who used to work so hard, so determined, so focused, and I think it is just the beginning. Success will all be yours. Keep shining high in the life. May God bless you. God bless you, dear. Thank you.
I wish a very, very happy birthday to you, bhai. काफ़ी टाइम हो गया मिले हुए, so I just hope things get normal soon so that we can meet again. 19 साल का हो गया, so happy 19th. और हाँ, RCB इस साल भी नहीं जीतेगी, so best of luck.
Hey Prajwal, wishing you many happy returns of the day. I still can't believe it has been almost 6 years since the day I first met you. It has been a great journey with you, and you have been a great friend all along these years. I wish you a very, very happy birthday, and I love these small meetings that we have, which keeps us motivated in these tough times. And hopefully we'll meet soon in person also. May this birthday be a start of a year that brings you the success you want, the wisdom that you need, and all the happiness that you deserve.
Hey Prajwal,
happy
what's
birthday.
up? And I would like to wish you a very, very happy birthday. Well, you just turned 19 today, and I can still remember those amazing days that we had during our high school, and I have some really great memories to share with you and a lot to talk. However, currently this pandemic has eventually forced us to isolate ourselves, but we still got to look at the bright side and keep moving forward at the end of the day. So I hope you have an amazing day, and I promise you.
Hey Prajwal, wishing you a day which is as special as you are. I still remember we met 3 years ago in the playground just before our selection for the annual athletics meet. We didn't know that we will end up being best friends, and also in the same class where we spent our quality times together, laughing on silly jokes, spending our times together with other friends like Aditya and Aryan, and we didn't know that our aspirations are the same, to join the National Defence Academy. Unfortunately we couldn't, but I'm sure that we both will serve together in the army. Have a great birthday.
Happy birthday Prajwal. Have an amazing year ahead. May all your hopes and dreams come true. Just a piece of advice: be brave, don't give up, and yeah, you have all the qualities in you to become a warrior. So all the best.
Hi Prajwal.
Take care.
How are you? Wishing you a very happy birthday. Wishing you many more. I'm sure you're enjoying your college life. All the best, young man. Take care. Bye-bye.
Wish you happy birthday Prajwal.
Happy birthday Prajwal. All the best.
May God bless you, dear. Wish you happy birthday once again, and wish you happy birthday Prajwal.
Happy birthday Prajwal.
May God bless you, dear. Whatever your dreams come true. Have a bright future ahead.
All the best.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Prajwal.
Happy birthday, Prajwal. Have a wonderful year ahead.
ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್, ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ದೇಶ ಕಾಯುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಗೌರವಯುತವಾದಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ. ಸದಾ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಶೀಲತೆ, ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆ, ಉಲ್ಲಾಸದಿಂದ ಇರುವಂಥವರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ. ಅಂತಹ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳ ಮಗನಾಗಿ ಜನಿಸಿರೋದೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಬಾಳಿನ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಗೌರವಯುತವಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಿದಂತಹ ಅಲೆಗಾವಿ ಮನೆತನ ನಿಮ್ಮದು. ಆ ಅಲೆಗಾವಿ ಮನೆತನದ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಏರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹ ಮತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಹತ್ತರವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ತಂದುಕೊಡುವ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಮೇಲಿದೆ. ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಹಬ್ಬದ ದಿನ ಕೇವಲ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಕಳೆಯದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಲದ ನಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವದ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಂಕಲ್ಪವನ್ನು ನೀನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಹುಶಃ ಅಲೆಗಾವಿ ಮನೆತನ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಏನು ಸಾತ್ವಿಕ ಪರಂಪರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀಯಾ ಅದು ನಿನ್ನ ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬಾಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ನಿನ್ನ ವಿದ್ಯೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಇದು ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ, ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎತ್ತರದ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ನಿನಗೆ ನೀಡುವಂತಾಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಕೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥವರು ನಾವು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಈ ಶುಭ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ, ನಗನಗ್ತಾ ಇರು, ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿರು. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಹುಡುದಬ್ಬ.
Hi Pradwal, this is Baljeet here, wishing you a very very happy birthday. God bless you beta, may you see shining lights ahead. In these trying times, in these tough times, take care of yourself. Stay safe, stay inside, study well, study hard. With all the best to you for your future endeavors. We are also down with COVID, but come out of it. I am sure you will also do well in life as many other guys here. God bless you, take care, all the best to you. We wish you a very happy birthday beta.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Prajwal. Happy birthday to you. Many, many happy returns of the day. God bless you with all the virtues. Ayushman bhava, balavan bhava, dhanvan bhava, kirtiman bhava. And my heartiest congratulations to G.C. Uday, Anjana ji and Prithvi. I hope you are enjoying the day. I don't know what is being cooked today. I hope the good food and the cake you should cook at home, because this is a dangerous time to go out and get anything. Be safe. All of you stay safe. So, these days I know the times are little, it's God's will that the times are little hard. So all you can do is, if you have a facility of table tennis, you can play with your brother who is a good player, and some other indoor activities. And this is an extra time you got for doing. You can read the religious books and other books, and you are an artist. You can, I don't suggest you to take pictures, go outside and all that, but you can do a lot of things inside. You are a son of a brave man. You yourself is a brave boy and son of a brave mother. So all of you should stay safe. And I hear the news. It is really, really hard. I don't want to talk about it. All negative. Enjoy your day and stay safe. All I will say that. And again, many, many happy returns of the day. Many, many happy returns of the day. I wish I will come sometimes and we'll visit you. And this party is due. And a gift is due on me. Whenever I come, whatever you want, I will bring. Enjoy the day. Again, congratulations to all of you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Hi Prajwal, many happy returns of the day. How are you? I hope you're doing fantastic. Only thing is, what I want from you is you need to rock always, and I know you will going to achieve more and more, and what your papa and mommy already expecting a lot from you. Okay, I wish you all the best, and I want to hear from you many more good news. Thank you, and once again, happy birthday once again. Thank you.
Hello Prajwal, happy birthday dear. आज के, चूँकि तुम्हारे लिए आज का दिन बहुत बड़ा है, इसलिए भगवान महादेव से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि तुम्हारी जो भी इच्छा है वो पूरी करें। हमेशा जीवन में प्रसन्न रहो, खुश रहो, स्वस्थ रहो। एक कन्नड़ सॉन्ग है जो तुम्हें डेडिकेट करना चाहता हूँ। ये मेरा फेवरेट सॉन्ग है। आहा 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 ला 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 ये नागले ಮುಂದೆ ಸಾಗುನಿ ಬಯಸಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗದು ಬಾಡಲಿ ಬಯಸಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗದು ಬಾಡಲಿ ಓ ನನ್ನಾಣಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಸುಡಲ್ಲ ಓ ನನ್ನಾಣಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಸುಡಲ್ಲ. सो डियर वंस अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे. हमेशा खुश रहो, प्रसन्न रहो और जोश और उमंग से जिंदगी जियो. थैंक यू.
Hi Prajwal, good evening and a very very happy 19th birthday to you. I hope you had a very happy day and I'm wishing you a very very happy year ahead and a life full of happiness and joy and good health. And I hope you're taking care of yourself and being safe so that your parent goes in a couple of parts, so it doesn't matter. So just know that in life, if there is one door that closes, there are 10 doors that will open up for you. So just don't worry about what is happening, and whatever God has ordained for you, it will happen. Okay? So all the very best, be good and be happy and keep your parents happy.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day. Now onwards, you are stepping up to next gen. I hope you have a wonderful journey ahead. You don't get stronger by accepting how everyone else does things. You get stronger by finding your own path. That's how champions are made. Definitely you are one of them. Once again, happy birthday, my dear son.